So in this video, we are required to factor this particular polynomial 6mn minus 3n plus 2mp minus p. Now, if you look at this particular polynomial, there's something that is common to in this particular term, and that is what? That is n, and something is common here, and that is p. So we can actually use that to factor. So we can rewrite this by separating those two terms as a 6mn minus 3n, put both of them in brackets, plus 2mp minus p. Somebody will say, well, why do I put brackets? Well, this is joined together by addition, so it doesn't affect everything here. All right, so now we want to factor this out. What can we use to factor this out? We can actually use 3 and n to factor this. So this one will give us 3n into bracket. What can we multiply 3n by? That will give us 6mn. That is what? 2m. Then minus what? That is 1. Okay, then plus, if you look at these two, what can we use to factor this? What is common to both of them? That is p. So we can have what? P into bracket what? 2m minus what? 1. So obviously 2m and 2m is common on this side, so we can take them as 1. So we can say 2m minus 1, then the remaining term will be what? 3n plus what? P. So the final factor is what? 2m minus 1 into bracket 3m plus p. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please see you in the next video. Bye bye.